Hello, welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an PDF file to an Excel file. So for that, you need to have just one software, that is PDF Gear, that I have already installed on my computer, and you can Google search it and download the PDF Gear. So this is an PDF file. I have to convert this quickly to the Excel file. So just go to the PDF gear. Yeah, we'll make it a little bit large. So this is an Excel file. So I have already installed on my desktop. There is PDF gear software. It's very easy to install from the Google. And go to this PDF gear software and just say convert from PDF. Click on convert from PDF. It has number of variety of options, tools, and here you need to just add the file. No need to upload to the cloud, and select the PDF file and just click on convert. It's so easy and so simple. And see, within a few seconds the file has been converted to Excel without any. Yeah, it is converted to Excel. So you can adjust with the fonts, make it 10, and adjust the columns and rows with auto row height. So see, it's so easy, and how beautifully it has converted without irregular formats of row and column. So it has many tools like PDF to Word, PDF to PNG, compressed PDF, and all tools you can use. This software is very wonderful, and it is must have on your PC. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and share for more such videos. Thank you.